Hi there, back again with another drone flight. This time it's spring break, and I happen to be up the Texas A&M campus flying my drone, and you see what I happen to come across. I hear a horn, and comes a train. Now again, this is the SEMA X5C, which is a cheap toy grade quad. Camera's not very good, and it's a little breezy today. So as you're seeing in the video, it's actually, I'm having a fair amount of trouble keeping the guy in hover so he doesn't get away from me. And unfortunately, without a gimbal, the camera tilts and turns and spins and the like. Jello effect, which is the from the vibration, is not too bad. Um, but this is still me trying to experiment to figure out about where the copter needs to be to get reasonable pictures. I wanted to get a little bit of the Kyle Field expansion project in the background. And then the blade train came along, so that was kind of interesting. I'm a little disappointed that I got so much turning, quadcopter, flight characteristic modifications here in the video. There's just nothing I could do. I mean, there was a breeze. I was constantly battling the breeze to keep the copter level. Again, this is just a test video to kind of see what can be done with a toy copter. I'm finding that for me and my rail fanning interest, it's probably not, the height is not the thing that's that big of a deal. It's just getting actually a stable remote platform that's going to be the best. And I consider all my tests success. I popped for a $300 new copter, and it's ordered and on the way. And we'll see what that guy does. I'll probably purchase another low-cost gimbal to go on that, and we'll see what happens. Anyhow, so a little bit of video from around Kyle Field here. I was really happy to see the blade train. It's you see them through town from time to time. I had no idea it was coming. I was kind of hoping to see a train. Also, we're real late in the day here, so this would have actually turned out better if I would have had some sun, but it didn't. But anyhow, here we go. Kyle Field blade train X5C. Total cost for this copter when I purchased it was under $60. Camera and all ready to fly. So this is what you get for a $60 copter.